Hello, it's David from Pickering Honda, here to show you how to connect your phone to the 2018 Honda Civic. First things first, you want to open your phone and click Settings. Click Bluetooth, make sure it is on. And then we'll click Settings here. We'll click Phone. Click Bluetooth Device List. Click Add Bluetooth Device. Continue. It'll search for a device. Here it is. So we'll click. And then you want to look down on your phone and click the pairing button. Make sure the codes do add up. Click pair. Allow for your contacts. And then this right here is Honda Link Assist. You can read it over to see what it says. For that you can click on or off. And then you do have the option of Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. For that we'll click Not Now. Click Allow. Simple as that. We're connected.